So now what are you doing?
Now me businessman.
Oh, businessman.
Yeah.
What are you selling?
I'm sell banana.
Oh, banana?
Banana goreng.
What's goreng? Yeah, you told me just now, acupuncture, right?
Yeah. And I take two master.
Oh, wow.
After I finish master in acupuncture,
Huh?
I don't go to work. I continue study back.
Wow.
I take two subject.
What is it?
Kau live. Assalamualaikum.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
Really?
Yeah.
My name is Jeffrey.
Oh, hi Jeffrey. I'm Melissa.
Melissa? What is your full name?
Melissa Pangilinan.
Melissa Pangililan. My full name is Jeffrey Nicole.
Oh, Jeffrey Nicole.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I'm 23.
Wow, you still young?
Yeah. How old are you?
Me? 24.
Oh.
I'm still young.
Yeah.
Now I'm study in a master of acupuncture.
Oh. So are you working as a therapist?
Yeah, therapist.
Oh.
If someone have injury, come to me, I acupuncture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the point. After that, the people go to die. Because I still study, I don't know how to put the point. I just bubuh lah kat mana-mana I like that. And the people go and my college kick me from college.
Oh, so now what are you doing?
Now me businessman.
Oh, businessman.
Yeah.
What are you selling?
I'm sell banana.
Oh, banana?
Banana goreng.
What's goreng?
You know banana put there.
Oh, fry?
Yeah.
Fried banana?
Banana fry.
Oh.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah.
I have a 10 stall.
10?
Yeah, 10 stall.
Wow. Where?
In Malaysia.
Maybe you should open one in Philippines.
Yeah, maybe. I think I want to go to import export. I think like 5 months ago, I want to go open the Philippine banana fry.
Yeah, you should.
Are you working?
Yeah, I'm working.
What are you working?
I work in advertising.
Oh, nice. Advertising.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is that?
Marketing.
Marketing.
Yeah.
Oh, promote like that lah.
Yeah.
Oh, in
Social media marketing.
social media marketing. In
Yeah.
what the company?
Sorry?
What the company?
It's a Filipino company. I don't think you will know.
Yeah, but you can tell to me. I want to search and research about that.
BLK Cosmetics.
BLK of cosmetics.
Yeah.
Right, that's right. I like about cosmetic also.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I like to skincare, facial. I very like that. I very love that.
Maybe you should open your own skincare business.
Yeah, maybe I think I want to make a serum banana.
Oh,
Yeah,
for the face?
for the face.
Oh.
Yeah, I want to make banana to be a serum. Because very many people don't know what the function of the banana.
Maybe you can tell?
Yeah, banana have a vitamin, you know.
What vitamin?
Vitamin Z.
Oh. What's the benefits of it?
Yeah, you know about vitamin C, about skin, right?
Yeah.
Vitamin Z for energy.
For energy.
Yeah, for energy, for your muscle.
Oh, energy to do what?
Yeah, if you do, you take the serum banana and you put your face.
Huh?
Your face like strong.
Oh.
Don't have age.
Oh, anti-aging.
Anti-aging, yes.
Yeah.
Anti penuaan lah. So you must to try. I think I want to make the serum banana like 4 months. and I want give you to tester lah. You want to be my model?
Yeah, sure. I can promote it in the Philippines.
How much you want to me pay for you for review?
What's your rate? You give me your rate.
I don't know about your average.
And I follow you.
You follow me?
Yeah.
Okay, I give you for one video I give you like 1,000
USD?
USD. Matilah nak. No USD, Malaysian only. MYR. If I give you one video 1,000 USD, I bankrupt lah. Yeah, I still new in the business, right?
Oh, you still new.
Yeah.
So your product is out already?
4 month lagi.
Oh, okay.
I think I want you. I will take you combo.
How much?
I take you 10 video. How much you want?
10 videos.
How
Maybe
much?
we can do 5,000.
Wow, 5,000. You give me discount?
Yeah, because it's your new business, so I'm helping you out.
Yeah, thank you so much because you helped me to improve my business.
Yeah, no
So
worries.
I take you for 1 month lah, 30 video.
Can.
So now you still study or what?
I'm doing part-time studying and I'm also working.
You study about?
I study English for communication studies.
Oh, because that your English very nice. Not same with me. Yeah, but you before I talking with you, I want to pronunciation for you. Yeah, I'm study master, you know.
Wow. Yeah, you told me just now, acupuncture, right?
Yeah, and I take 2 master.
Oh, wow.
After I finish master in acupuncture,
Huh?
I don't go to work. I continue study back.
Wow.
I take 2 subject.
What is it?
Master of I forgot. Wait. Because very long time I tinggalkan kerjaan tu. Master of carbohydrate.
Master of carbohydrates?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, what's that?
Master of carbohydrate. I learn about carbohydrate. You know, if you eat, you want to know about carbohydrate, oxygen.
Oh, so you studied about nutrition?
Yeah, nutrition. About healthy.
Okay.
You must to if I see you one time I teach you lah about carbohydrate, about surgery, about what lah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now you live what your content?
I'm just talking to people.
What?
I'm just talking to people.
Oh, you just talk with the people?
Yeah, I'm just talking to people.
How many your viewers?
Right now?
Yeah, right now.
Now I have 670.
Wow, many people in your life. You
Yeah.
very famous in Malaysia.
Suddenly. Before this, I don't have this many.
So you TikToker from Philippines?
Yeah.
What is your name from Philippines? I forgot.
Melissa Pangilinan.
Melissa Panggilila?
Yeah.
Very nice your name. Very nice.
Thank you.
So you don't want to come Malaysia?
I don't know what to do in Malaysia. What can I do in Malaysia?
You must to come Malaysia because in Malaysia have many beach.
Beach?
No, beach.
Oh,
Beach,
beach.
not beach. Beach.
Oh, beach.
You know beach? Woohoo!
Oh.
Woo! Beach. Yeah. If you come to my country, you can go see the sunset. You can play jet ski.
Oh, wow.
Langkawi, very nice.
Where's Langkawi? Is it
Langkawi
near?
Island is pulau. You know pulau?
I don't know what's Pulau.
You don't know pulau? Pulau.
You said it's an island, is it?
Yes, the island.
Oh.
Langkawi Island.
Oh, so it's an island.
If you come and you go to Langkawi Island, you have fun. You if tonight you can see people play fire.
Oh, wow. Fire show?
Yeah, fire show like Dragon Ball. Put
Wow.
the mouth. The fire like that, you know?
Oh.
Yeah. You must to come. And you can go to Sabah.
Oh, Sabah?
Yes.
I think I know where Sabah is because it's very close to the Philippines.
Yes, because Sabah and Philippines very
It's
dekat kan?
nearby. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so you know about have Sabah have a island very beautiful.
Oh, what is it
Yeah.
called?
If you see the water, you can see the fish.
Oh, so it's clear.
Very clear. Very clear and very very cheap. You don't have many money, you can go Sabah because very cheap. You can jimat save budget.
Ah. Okay.
You must to go. I think you very happy if you go. You have boyfriend?
No, I don't.
Why you don't have boyfriend?
I don't know. Maybe trust issues.
Yeah, good. Don't have boyfriend. You go with your family.
Yeah. I'll go
Because if you go with your family, you safety. If you go with your boyfriend, you back. I think have 3 people. Don't no. Not good. In Islam, not good. Not halal. Don't do that. You go with your family, okay?
Do you think I should date Malaysian men?
You want to date with Malaysian man?
Yeah, should I?
Shoot. Takat gambar? Shoot apa kan? What shoot?
No, should I date? Do you think, what's your opinion? Can or cannot?
Oh, you want a boyfriend from Malaysia?
No, I'm just asking like if what's your opinion? Is it good or not for me to date a Malaysian?
Very good because men from Malaysia very loyalty.
Oh, really?
Yeah, very loyalty, very kind, very brave, very friendly, very good. Yeah, like that lah. If you come because Malaysian men are very gentleman.
Oh,
Yeah. What your typical type?
my type.
Your type.
I like tall, dark, and handsome.
Tall? Tall apa kan?
Tall, dark, and handsome.
Yeah, I know dark and handsome but tall. Wait, I ask my viewer because
Yeah.
I forgot about tall. Tall tu apa? Oh, tinggi. Okay. You like tall? Dark? Handsome?
Yeah.
Tall, dark, handsome. Wait. I find my friend. Wait. Oh, I have friend but don't have tall, dark, handsome. Don't have.
Oh, then what do you have?
I have tall, not handsome, dark.
Oh,
I have. Or small, not handsome, dark. I have. Why you must want boyfriend handsome? Handsome. I think not good because the man if handsome, not enough one girl.
not enough one. Oh, you mean they are cheaters?
You must to try. You must to understand my English because my English is UK. You know.
Oh, yeah.
UK. I don't talk English US. I UK because my English and your English not same.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
okay. I understand. You're doing good.
Yeah, thank you so much. But I think if you want man, I think don't see the handsome lah because if the all time all people same face. Yeah. No have someone handsome until they die. But the heart, if the heart handsome, can until they die.
But I want to have good-looking kids in the future, so I need to find someone handsome.
If you want to good looking kids, you just to pray. If you're pregnant, you pray. Hope your kid follow you, don't follow the father. Now. Okay? Yeah. You don't worry about that. You know British short hair?
Yeah, the cat breed.
Cat British short hair?
Yeah.
Married is the village cat. But the kid follow the mother, the father. So what you do? You don't worry about the face the kid. The kid of course follow the beauty. But the yes like that lah. Yeah.
So I just have to pray.
Yeah, you must to pray. I don't know what your religion, but you pray to your God. Okay, you pray every day, every time. You don't pray time you're injured only because if you're happy, you still pray.
Yeah.
Don't make your God like a Panadol. You take time you're injured only. Understand? You pray every day.
Yeah.
And your God listen what you play. Okay? Susah untuk orang betul. Tapi okey sikit lah ni. So I think
Aku nak cakap bahasa Melayu je lah.
mana ni? Orang Melayu.
Melayu je lah.
Orang Melayu. Duduk mana?
Saya duduk Kedah.
Duduk Kedah je. Ui, pandai lah orang putih. Orang putih cik pandai lah.
Ha?
Cik umur berapa?
Saya 27.
Ui, pandai lah orang putih. Belajar apa? Belajar orang putih je? Belajar ambil English je?
Saya memang belajar ambil bahasa Inggeris lah, course bahasa Inggeris.
Patutlah power. Saya BI kan dulu SPM BI gagal. Tapi saya belajar English ni macam ni lah. Saya sembang dengan orang.
Tapi okey lah English awak
kan? Walaupun boleh tapi orang faham.
Orang faham
kan? Tapi suka cakap English. Tapi kita bedal lah. Saya kalau live dengan orang putih saya borak je macam tadi tu. Kerja dah cik?
Apa dia?
Dah kerja?
Kerja? Dah kerja dah. Saya kerja part time. Kerja full time. Tapi saya belajar part time.
Sekarang apa? Diploma, degree?
Degree.
Pandai lah. Duduk Kedah kat mana?
Sungai Petani.
Sama kampung bini saya.
Oh ya ke?
Bini saya Sungai Petani, Bandar Putrajaya.
Dekat dengan saya.
Cik mana?
Saya dekat Taman Sejati.
Macam pernah dengar dekat-dekat lah tu kot.
Dekat tol lah, dekat tol.
Dekat apa lah, kedai minyak tu. Apa si kedai minyak? Caltex. Dari situ lah. Tapi tu dah boleh cakap Filipin tadi. Kau dah boleh cakap Filipin?
Saya pernah bercinta dengan orang Filipin dulu.
Lepas tu tak jadi?
Apa dia?
Tapi muka macam Filipin sikit.
Saya kacuk, Cina India.
Patutlah muka macam mix-mix. Macam saya kacuk juga.
Kacuk apa?
Mak Brazil. Ayah Portugal. Dapat Cristiano Ronaldo. Mix juga.
Tapi rambut style Ahmad Azhan.
Esok juga kena botak ni duk. Aduh, dia kata Ahmad Azhan aku dah tak minat ni. Biar aku siap tepi lah. Ini okey kot. Macam Ahmad Azhan. Sakit je hati.
Tak gila, sekarang okey.
Ahmad Azhan tu kacuk juga.
Oh ya?
Dia kacuk juga.
Dia kacuk apa?
Tak tahu dia. Dia lah. Tapi sekarang ni betul kenapa tak jadi dengan orang Filipin tu?
Sebab LDR kot, susah lah. Dia pun
long distance relationship.
Betul.
Dia duduk kat Filipin. Kenal kat mana?
Cerita dulu lah. Saya kenal dekat aplikasi, sesuatu aplikasi tu.
Aplikasi apa? B?
T?
Dia? Bukan aplikasi yang epek ke?
Tu dulu saya kenal dia dulu 2019 ke 18 macam tu.
Lama. Twitter.
Bukan
Twitter tu lah. Lepas tu kenal kat situ. Lega lah. Dia pun boleh cakap putih lah. Tak pernah jumpa lah. Pernah jumpa?
Pernah
2 kali.
banyak lah. Saya pernah pergi Filipin. Dia duduk dekat Dubai. Dia kerja kat Dubai.
Kalau kahwin kaya tak edi lah.
Tak edi.
Bila putus?
Tahun 2023.
Lepas tu sampai sekarang single? Tak ada orang try lah?
Entah lah. Saya pun macam dah malas lah.
Cari orang Melayu lah.
Melayu? Apa beza Melayu dengan Filipin?
Beza kalau Filipin jauh sikit, Melayu lah dekat. Beza dia dekat sikit. Kalau ada nama lelaki perempuan ni sama je. Doa je lah jumpa yang baik-baik. Bila doa yang baik-baik tu kita pun kena jadi lagi baik lah kan.
Betul.
Ada kawan saya ramai single.
Ya.
Kalau nak tapi tak live pula. Malam ni ada seorang tu bagus budak dia kelakar tapi tak live. Kalau dia
apa nama dia?
Nama dia Khairul Noah.
Tak kenal.
Dia tak ada famous sangat tapi dia okey. Dia jaga mak dia dengan ayah dia. Ada lagi seorang nama Osman. Osman ni bagus juga. Dia ni kelakar.
Saya suka orang kelakar.
Osman ni dia memang kelakar. Dia nak dak-dak kan.
Apa dia?
Nak yang type dia dak kan. Gelap-gelap kan. Dia gelap.
Oh, gelap.
Dia gelap. Tuan muda Arul ada. Dia gelap. Tinggi. Dia tinggi tidak, rendah pun tidak.
Oh.
Dia sedang-sedang lah. Nanti kalau saya jumpa dia, saya kenalkan dengan Mel
Boleh.
Okay, Mel, terima kasih untuk malam ni. Kita konten. Assalamualaikum. Selamat Hari Raya.
Selamat Raya. Terima kasih.